Oh, hi, Dale. Hi, Phil. Hi.
Welcome back. Well, welcome us back to your.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah, I'm here all the time.
Yeah. Quick question.
Yeah.
Can we turn the radio off?
Well,
yeah.
not really.
Turn it off. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Can't do it.
Yeah.
No.
Look, I need the radio off, mate.
Yeah, I know. It's just an issue, you see.
What's your issue?
Well, it's really boring.
Hey.
And secondly, I was given some information that in one of Tom's videos, I do believe the radio's still on.
Oh really? Which one?
Reflex. But they don't.
Oh, but yeah, what's the excuse? Oh, but because they listen to what, like Kiss FM or something?
They don't listen to me.
Well,
but you do.
This is what's happening right now.
No, come on.
This is exactly the moment where I don't really listen to you.
Turn it off.
Oh, Nick, sorry. Milk. Nice.
Payback, that's why I'm here. Dale put that wheel in the bin.
What's the plan today?
We're here to annoy Uncle Phil. Because Uncle Phil missed me.
Always.
That's a lie, he never misses me.
I only saw you the other day.
Oh, you did actually? Yeah.
I'm not being funny. Wait, can we have the radio?
I'm not being funny.
No, give me the radio, please. No, you keep laughing.
You can't, because you set a precedent for yourself by not turning it off in one of your other videos.
Well, I'm going to go turn the radio off.
Can I help?
What, turning the radio off? I don't know if it's a two-man job.
I don't know if you've seen us work. Give me a P, give me a H, give me an I, give me an L, go Phil!
I thought there was 2 L's in Phil.
No, one. Philip is 2 L's.
Oh.
I didn't do Philip, did I?
Dyslexic, is it?
You can buy them separately, yes. But you have to go to like the main agent, see what I mean?
Chuck my wheel in the bin.
I can see clearly now. The tank has gone.
I mean, Jesus, Jones almighty. I thought the Renault was bad.
How very dare you. Solid German engineering.
I like this hole here, look.
Yeah, this is good.
That's a good hole.
I like that hole one.
Yeah, that's it.
That. That's a beautiful hole because it's only where the fuel lines come through, so it'd be well easy to weld up. What's Dangerous doing? What are you doing?
Dangerous, is that what you call me? I like that. Dangerous is my middle name.
Austin Danger Powers.
I'm sure you should have pokings. I've seen your work on the internet.
Hey mate, I am published mechanic.
It's true.
I'm as good as
anyone. You will be in Practical Mechanic anytime soon. You'll be in the restoration show doing one of them talks.
Like Mike Brewer.
Yeah, you'll be like Mike. You'll be the new Mike Brewer.
In all seriousness, we're dropping off some panels today, aren't we?
Yeah, I'll go get them.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
News to me. I thought we already had them all.
You thought you had got too many panels here, but no.
There's more.
Oh,
Oh no, there's more panels.
Oh no. There's a hole. There's a hole.
Oh.
There's a little hole there. There's a bigger hole there. There's some holes here. There's a massive hole here. Today, on
the install episode.
on Mechanic 101.
Oh.
today's install.
Shut up.
Is he all day? Like, is he going to be here all
He's
time?
more. He's. I think. He's more special than I am. I'm special.
Jeez Louise, mate. So yeah, today we will be mostly trying to repair holes.
And filling up some panels that Dale bought from the Germans.
The Germans have supplied some panels. So we'll be fitting those, well, you know, offering them all, making sure they fit.
Yep.
They are aftermarket panel.
Oh, God.
Try the vegetarian option.
Shut up!
Who's your mate?
We're trying to just do an intro.
I mean, who's your mate though?
Oh. Well, some of us are doing the work over here.
Yes, first bit of work you'll ever do.
First and last.
Yeah, absolutely.
What is that?
There is a big.
Now, I delivered your panels all okay.
Oh yeah.
Obviously this has maybe a few holes, whereas I believe another project is basically one big hole. Or is that just the guy? I don't, anyway, either way, there's a hole involved.
It's going in the bin, like the car.
That's it. So it's going to fill a hole, like a landfill hole.
Yeah.
That's the best way to put it, really. Let's be honest. But yeah, this has got a few holes, but I mean, it's standard Merc stuff. To be honest, old Merc.
In the places that you expect.
Yeah, everywhere, exactly where you expect.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. No, actually, it's not that bad. Floors are pretty good. Boot floor's not bad. It's got a few holes and bits, but it's not horrendous. Yeah,
nice.
It's an old Merc.
Well, what I suggest now is that we crack on, and I'll do some B-roll bits, so I don't have to film you talking too much, because I know you're a bit, you know.
I'm a bit, you know.
Yeah, you know.
That doesn't sound great, does it?
You know.
Way to sell it. You're a bit, you know.
You know. Yeah, yeah.
I don't like to talk about it, but you are a bit, you know. Yeah, it's that fit anyway. Oh, it's the wrong one.
Oh, you kidding?
Nope. So I've got to cut it up to make it work.
Hang on.
Oh, what?
Did Dale order the wrong part?
No, you see, actually, I can't put that on Dale because I ordered the parts.
I mean, it does.
So as much as I'd like to say, yeah, it's Dale, really not, it's me.
It does look a bit small for a door.
It's not. Oh. Yeah, that's a good point, actually. Yeah.
Can I help? I think I should.
I don't know, can you?
No. Sorry, I can't help.
That's my question. Can you help?
What bit needs cutting, and let Tom know. This bit.
I know you, as already stated today, are now like practical mechanic of the year.
I am. If you've seen the previous videos,
That's
I am.
so,
Tom's Autos is opening,
but I haven't seen you use power tools yet. And as Dale will back up, he's not allowed to use power tools here either.
Like, there's potential for bushfire.
Yeah, well, I have to say,
That's true.
I was going to say, I'm.
Yeah, me too.
Actually, you've not shaved for at least a week.
Yeah, it's 9 years actually.
9 years.
There's nothing more I can do. Like,
I hope there's fire.
I have a fire extinguisher.
I'll take Jason's car.
If it all goes, oh, but you will, yeah. Which one?
Oh.
If it all goes wrong, you can have the Uno. Right.
Oh.
Sorry, were you? I didn't see you there. Were you?
You should always wear goggles and stuff.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Put your mask on.
Oh, that's what.
Put
Oh.
the safety helmet on. There we go. That's the one.
No, I can't see.
Sign down. Yeah, do that.
Okay.
What?
Right, so.
Going well.
There's lots of that. Stuff going on, not being productive. I don't think I'm helping.
I can't hear you. You're going to have to lift the mask up.
He said I don't think I'm helping Philip. Me and you like doing the A-Team theme.
Yeah. Oh, Phil, just say cue the music.
Cue the music. Oh.
What are you doing?
Posing.
No, I'm filming.
Doing next poses.
Like this. Look over there.
Hark yonder.
Hark yonder.
Just
Hark yonder. Who's yonder?
I think I'm going to cut, roughly speaking, here. And then.
Yeah, Dale. Yeah, Dale.
Then it was gone.
magic.
It's like a magic.
Sit it back. Silly bang, silly bang, silly bang.
And then the metal was gone.
Bang! And the grime is gone. Grime, dirt. I've got it all wrong, haven't I?
I'm just gonna, yeah. Oh yeah, you haven't changed. It's the same clothes as last time.
It's one big
It's like my school uniform.
What have I told you about? Just a new jumper every day, mate.
You
My school,
can't talk.
I'm going to say.
You can't talk.
I washed this.
When? That's a new one. You've been
That's what we used to say at school when you used to turn up in the same like trousers and they'd be like, oh, I've got 3 pairs. Like, honest.
I have 3 apples.
I got a grinder.
He's on grinder. Sorry, Uncle Phil. Sorry, Uncle Phil. Thanks.
If I'm in your way, let me know.
No, you know, no. You got it. Thanks.
Cool.
Thanks.
Body's ringing my bell.
What, excuse me?
Based on what I heard.
That looks nice, Phil. Almost looks like it fits or meant to be there.
Almost going to fit after a bit of tweaking. But yeah, not far off.
Welding time.
It's on fire.
The fire.
It's like you. I'll have that hand there, so you're balancing on it.
Okay.
You get what I mean? So you can just steady and then just go in there, squeeze the trigger and then turn to the camera and snigger.
Oh. Should be fire. Oh. It's my car now. So I've branded it. Paid back for the wheel in the bin. We're going to leave Uncle Phil to do what Uncle Phil does. Because he's far more better at it than I am. Just.
I mean, only slightly. It's close.
There was no
TC
fire. There was
Custom
no
shop.
fire. TC Customs.
It's gonna open soon.
TC Customs. All right, thanks. Thank you for letting me sabotage Dale's video, Dale's car.
Nice to see you both.
Yeah.
Team Tom.
We always like to make
Team
Phil.
Tom.
Yeah, alright. Okay. Do you want to sign the video? Say like, share and subscribe, Phil. Don't
Don't make me do this again. I get it
Yeah.
wrong every time.
Come on.
Like, share and subscribe.
Yes.
First time.
Team Tom.
Team
Yeah.
Team Patrick.
Team Tom.
Team Patches.
Shake